It's like 6:30 in the morning, and we're at the Skyline Lake trailhead. Another big trail run this year. This year we're going to run the Skyline Trail near Jasper. None of us have ever been on it before. It's a completely new area. Should be pretty exposed and pretty open, and maybe generally a little bit easier than last year. 45 kilometers, I think something like 1,600 meters of elevation gain. But I also didn't really train much this year, again. So that's on me. It's gonna be a pretty good adventure, but not without a decent amount of suffering, I think. Harry, are you happy with the amount of training you did?
The past is past, and what's done is done.
All right, go for it.
I'm running.
$5K in now. Feeling pretty good. The hill's just starting. Feeling good, Matt?
Feeling great. Woo. Beautiful morning, beautiful day.
It's true. Just about kilometer 10, leaving the tree line behind, climbing pretty steadily. Cool breeze, but the weather's amazing. An hour and 45 minutes into the run now, going really well. I gotta say, I'm actually really shocked at how cruisy, how smooth this trail is. I think I was expecting punchier climbs right off the start, and we haven't had that. We've been flying, it's great.
Almost 15K through. Beautiful day, no complaints. Every hour we're trying to intake some food. So it's food time, which consists of lots of candy.
$18K in now. Pretty steady climbing. We're about to come over a ridge. I think it's gonna get windy. We're making pretty good progress. The views are incredible. Kilometer 21, at the half marathon mark now. Starting to feel it. The lack of training is catching up to me. We've got super steep climb coming up. Probably gonna be some walking.
Definitely not always running. We're in the middle of the biggest slog. But this here, look at that view. Unreal.
Be pretty good.
It was a steep one. Kilometer 26 now, and I think we're almost at the high point for the trail. It's about to be the low point for my knees when we start heading down. I think overall everyone's doing pretty well. The weather's just incredible.
$31.5K. Still a beautiful day. We've been really lucky with the weather. No complaints whatsoever. Put the sunglasses on to hide my strained face, which would definitely show a few miles now. Still really having a good time. Fatigue is definitely setting in at this point, but it's hard to be mad when you're looking at views like this the entire time. It's just stunning.
So we're at the final 8.5K to go. It's all downhill, pretty steep. The knees are in for a treat. Feeling pretty good though, except for one small detail. We just realized that we left the shuttle car keys in the other vehicle. So we're gonna wrap this up, and whoever can still walk is gonna have to hitchhike to go get the other vehicle.
So far so good. Definitely have some niggles here and there on the old feet and hips and pretty much everywhere. But it's nice to finish this going down.
Oh, my right knee is gibbled. Yeah, it's all downhill. I just want to be done now.
The biggest challenge today, what's it been?
Just staying upright.
What's been the best part?
Oh no, the skyline, the views, the camaraderie.
That wraps it up. 47 kilometers, one missed key, and a couple smashed up knees. It's a good day. Hey, cheers. Cheers.